Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to install Temu in Android. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first of all guys, we need to get a discount in our account. So to do this, open your browser and then go to this link. You will find it in the description below, or you can write it here. So the link is rebrand.ly/Temu100. So this is the link. You will find it in the description below. After that, now we will get a discount for $100. Then tap download Temu and then tap install, and now wait until finish installing Temu. Perfect. Now after installing Temu, tap open, and next we need to create a new account on Temu. Then tap sign up, and here you can create account with Google or with Facebook. So I'll choose Google. And then here select your Gmail account, and perfect. Now tap sign in. Got it. Perfect. Now the discount has been activated in your account. So now you can buy any product you want with this discount. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.